to Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's 5th annual cultural event. Similar to last year, due to COVID-19 restrictions, we are continuing the celebration in the digital platform. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, established in 2016, is a non-profit organization working to promote Indian arts and culture by providing a platform for young talent by conducting music and dance recitals, workshops and lecture demonstrations. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti also sponsors scholarships to talented and deserving students who excel in various Indian art forms. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti also promotes the divine language of Sanskritam in oral and written forms by conducting interactive Sanskritam classes through the Kalashala, which is currently in a virtual mode. Students of our Kalashala and of the gurus associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti will be exhibiting a bouquet of talents in music, dance and cultural heritage of Sanskritam language. This year, we have chosen the concept of numbers for our cultural event. Mathematics is one subject that stands above cultural, political, religious and racial differences. The magic of numbers has been captured by people of different culture and regions in multiple ways. Indians have attributed significance to numbers from the very ancient times. Our surviving Sanskrit texts reveal a rich tradition of Indian mathematical discoveries lasting more than 2,500 years. It is believed that the method of expressing every number with a set of 10 symbols emerged in India. Interesting, isn't it? Ancient Indians used numbers in religious ceremonies and rituals as symbols of divinities and their energies. In this year's event, presented as a series of performances, each guru will present the significance of a number from 1 to 12 in our culture. Your presence and blessings are much appreciated by our family of gurus, parents, participants and well-wishers in this journey of exploring Indian art forms. Please subscribe and tune in to our YouTube channel and join us in this celebration. Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you all very much for joining us this year in our annual cultural event to mark the completion of 5 years since Bharatiya Kala Samskriti has been established. It has been a year and a half since the pandemic has hit us, but as you will see, it did not stop our gurus and their students in their journey of learning and enjoying the Indian art forms. For this year's annual cultural event, we have chosen the number concept. As Rani has mentioned, since the time of our ancestors, numbers always had significance in our Indian culture. Music and dance gurus associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti have come forward to present the significance of each of these numbers from 1 to 12 very creatively. I am humbled to present to you all their performances on these number concepts as per our Indian culture. Kindly encourage this effort of our gurus and their students by watching their performances and blessing the young artists. On behalf of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, I would like to thank all the gurus, their participating students and their families, without the support of which this event would not have been possible. I would also like to thank Srimati Rani Ramayar for her introduction about Bharatiya Kala Samskriti and Srimati Uma Gopal Bathina for introducing the gurus this year. I would also like to thank Kannan and Shobha for their continued support during the planning phase of all Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's cultural events. I would like to acknowledge my deepest gratitude to the well-wishers of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, without whose blessings any of these events would not have been possible. Thank you very much once again. Please enjoy the performances. Namaste.
Demonstrating the significance of number 3 is Guru Srimati Swapna Krishna Mohan. As we saw earlier, Swapna brings to the dance form a deeper meaning and a connection with the audience. Presenting Swapna Krishnamohan and her students.
Namaskaram. I am Swapna Krishnamohan. Nrityapriya Dance Academy would like to thank Bharatiya Kala Samskruti for making us part of this year's beautiful concert. We all come from the same source, and yet we are all very different in the way we dress, we speak, our likes and dislikes. According to Upanishads, it is essentially because we are all made up of various permutations and combinations of Sattva, Rajas and Tamoguna. For example, Lord Rama was more Sattva predominant, while Ravanasura was more Rajas or Tamoguna. And when we take the example of Trimurti and Lord Shiva in particular, according to Shiva Purana, it is said that his Trishul signifies that he is above the three states of waking, sleeping and dreaming, and also Rajas, Tamo and Sattva Guna. And yet he upholds all the three states. His Shul destroys the sufferings. His third eye signifies that he is very alert. In this context, Nrityapriya students present to you Vishwanathashtakam, sung by none other than S.P. Balasubramanian garu. Thank you.
गंगातरंग रमणीय जटाकलापं गौरी निरंतर विभूषित वामभागं नारायण प्रियमनंगमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् वाचामगोचरमनेक गुणस्वरूपं वागीश विष्णुसुरसेवित पादपीठं वामेण विग्रहवरेण कणत्रवन्तं वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् भूताधिपं भुजगभूषणभूषिताङ्गं व्याघ्राजिनाम्बरधरं जटिलं त्रिनेत्रं पाशाङ्कुशाभयवरप्रदशूलपाणिं वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् सीतांशुशोभित किरीट विराजमानो फालेक्षणानल विशोषित पंचबाणं नागाधिपारचित भासुर कर्णपूरो वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् पंचाननं दुरितमत्तमतङ्गजानां नागान्तकं दनुजपुङ्गवपन्नगानां दावानलं मरणशोकजराटवीनां वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् तेजोमयं सगुणनिर्गुणमद्वितीयम् आनन्दकन्दमपिराजितमप्रमेयम् नागात्मकं सकलनिष्कळमात्मरूपं वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् आशां विहाय परिहृत्य परस्य निन्दा उपेरतिं च सुनिवार्य मनस्समाधौ आदाय हृत्कमलमध्यगतं प्रदेशं वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् रागादिदोषरहितस्वजनानुरागम् वैराग्यशान्तिनिलयं गिरिजासहायम् माधुर्यधैर्यशुभगं गरलाभिरामौ वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् वाराणसीपुरपतेः स्तवनं शिवस्य व्यासोक्तमष्टकमिदं पठिता मनुष्या विद्यां श्रियं विपुलसौख्यमनन्तकीर्तिं सम्प्राप्य देहविलये लभते च मोक्षम् विश्वनाथाष्टकमिदं यः पठेत् शिवसन्निधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते।
Lord Shiva is also said as the Layakaraka, and we all know the importance of Laya in dance. We now present to you a unique formation of a jati, the Trikala Jati, created by G.S. Nagaraj Garu and choreographed by me. We present to you a fragment of this Trikala Jati. Thank you.
तधीं गिण्णतुं ता धी ताक नक झम ता झम धी ताक नक झम ता झम ताक नक झम ता झम ताक झम ता झम झम ता झम ता झम झम ता धी धी ना ओम ता धी तरी किट तोम धी तक नक झम तज्झम धी तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक झम तज्झम झम तज्झम तज्झम झम तरी गिन तोम ता धी तरी किट तोम तक धी तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक झम तज्झम झम तज्झम तज्झम झम तरी गिन तोम ता धी तरी किट तोम तक धी तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक झम तज्झम 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 झम तरी गिन तोम ता धी तरी किट तोम तक धी तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक झम तज्झम झम तज्झम तज्झम झम तरी गिन तोम ता धी तरी किट तोम तक धी तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक झम तज्झम झम तज्झम तज्झम झम तरी गिन तोम ता धी तरी किट तोम तक धी तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक नक झम तज्झम तक झम तज्झम 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 झम तरी गिन तोम ता धी तरी किट तोम।
After we have offered the flowers of bhakti to Lord Shiva in the form of Vishwanatashtakam and the Trikala Jati, the Nrityapriya Dance Academy students present to you the Shiva Tandava Stotram, preceded by a small part of Bilvashtakam. Please bless the artists. Thank you.
त्रिदलं त्रिगुणाकारं त्रिनेत्रं च त्रियायुधं त्रिजन्म पापसंहारं एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम् त्रिशाखैः बिल्वपत्रैश्च अच्छिद्रैः कोमलैः शुभैः तव पूजां करिष्यामि एकबिल्वं शिवार्पणम्।
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिव जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन् निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणम् धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी विलास बन्धु बन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्त सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदि क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोद मेतु वस्तुनि जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् फणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय सहस्रलोचन प्रभृत्य शेषलेख शेखर प्रसून धूलि धोरणी विधूसराघ्रिपीठ भुजंगराजमालया निबद्ध जाट जूटक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धुशेखरः नवीन मेघमण्डली निरुद्ध दुर्धर स्फुरत् कुहूनिशीथिनीतमः प्रबन्धबद्ध कन्धरः निलिम्प निर्झरीधर स्तनोतु कृत्ति सिन्धुरः कलानिधान बन्धुरः श्रियं जगद्धुरन्धरः प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिम प्रभावलंबिकंठ कंदली रुचि प्रबद्ध कंधरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मखच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे